Angelina, for a natural looking and comfortable wig, you can't go wrong with Angelina. This wig is recommended for patients dealing with cancer, alopecia, and other medical conditions that cause long-term hair loss. It's a silicone skin base wig that is comfortable and gentle on your scalp, thanks to suction base that will stretch to attach on your skin. This produces a vacuum-like effect that makes sure the wig won't come off even while you are dancing and doing any other physical activity. It comes with a diamond lace top, a natural French lace front, which makes for a natural hairline, and strategically placed poly tab on the neck and temples. This allows you to easily apply the adhesive of your choice. Angelina is a 14-inch in length and uses premium Chinese Remy hair. It comes with a medium light density to create a natural water wave and layers that will give you a beautiful, voluminous look. Reclaim your beauty with our wigs today.